Well, boys, we're on our way to Piedmont and see what we can do as far as finding something new for the channel again. It seems like I just get these ideas in my head and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna up and go do something. And I'm very spontaneous when it comes to doing that. So we're going to go pick up this item, and it's gonna be something new for the channel, and it's gonna be very beneficial to have around the house, as well as have around for any of the car situation that we have. So stay tuned. We're gonna continue to keep driving, and let's figure out what we got.
Perfect.
We're gonna see her reaction to this. Good morning, beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
You still sleeping?
I was trying to.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'll let you go back to sleep then.
No, I just gotta get out of the bedroom.
Oh, okay. I'm driving right now.
To where?
I'm gonna go see about getting the trailer.
That's right.
Huh?
I said yes, that's right.
Yes, that's right. Alright guys, as you can tell, we're in Piedmont. With some of the things that you see in the background as this video is going along, you'll kind of gather and figure out exactly what we're buying. I haven't been able to post this in a while, and I've been wanting to share this for quite some time now. But we decided to come down here to Piedmont and visit this trailer company, which I'll link in the description below as to where I got this. Jake was actually helpful to help me get this this trailer. We got a 20-foot trailer with certain things that we are going to be able to go through, and I'll show you once we get to the house. But we have a 20-foot trailer. It's going to have the winch mount in the front, as well as removable fenders, and as well spare tire. That's Jake, by the way. So this is going to be able to help out with moving cars in the future, as well as being able to take care of any type of maintenance for our vehicles and going through. So we're going to get this thing loaded up on the back of the truck, head down and get some more cars, and we'll go from there. This is the place. It's called Redline Trailers. There's the phone number. It's 256-792-9122. And it's Redline Baggett Trailers Connections LLC. So they're the ones that I got in contact with, and they're the ones that's helping me out actually getting this trailer for the cars, so that hey, we can get everything moved to and from where we need to go. So we had the trailer all loaded up, good to go. Got everything paid for. Got the title. So now the next step is basically getting the tag for the trailer, and then we're gonna go from there.